Today I'm talking about security cameras. Let's say you own a home. Let's say you have a pool. Let's say you have a large yard. Let's say you have a business. Let's say whatever it is you have, you need a security camera. Today I'm going to talk about this brand from Lorex. Now, any of those reasons that I mentioned that would make you want a security camera, wouldn't you want to see it in HD? How about 8 HD cameras? How about 8 HD cameras with 8 channels with 2 terabytes of recordable space on the hard drive? Lorex came out with this package. You get, again, 8 cameras, 8 channels, 1080p night vision, up to 130 feet with ambient light and 90 feet in total darkness, and again 2 terabytes of storage. This is what it looks like. You get 8 waterproof cameras with a receiver, again 2 terabytes of storage. Let's talk about some of the stuff that it offers. Let me zoom in on you so you can see. Okay, now, Windows phones, your Mac, Android, and Apple. The features are true 1080p recording on all cameras, cloud app and 3-step setup, instant mobile viewing on smartphones and tablet, continuous scheduled and motion recording, click and drag digital zoom and live view and playback, HDMI output, simple connection to your HD TVs, superior low light performance, motion push notification and email alert, durable and lightweight polycarbonate housing, night vision range, again 130 with ambient light and 90 feet in total darkness, waterproof cameras for extreme temperature performance, negative 22 degrees and up to 122 degrees, UL compliant cables suitable for surface and in-wall installation. Wow. Now, with all that said, which was some great stuff said, let's open the box and see what's in there. Now, just a bigger picture of what it looks like. Now, let's go ahead and open it up, see what it looks like on the inside. Zoom this out a little bit. Okay. So it comes in 2 boxes. Let me zoom this out some more. Comes in 2 boxes. The top box has the recorder in here. Top box has the HD recorder. See what that looks like. Here's the HD recorder, nicely wrapped in plastic, nicely secure with these little foam cushions. On the back of it, you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This is where each one of the cameras hook up to the back of the HD recorder. You have your audio in and out, your HDMI, your off and on, your power, a USB connector, a VGA connector, and that's what the back looks like. You also have in this box your batteries to the remote and your instructions. In a little smaller box, it comes with your HDMI port to connect this to your TV. It comes with a little remote. It comes with your wires to connect to your computer. It comes with your power plug, and in this little white box you have your mouse. You have a little mouse. You have a mouse that you use a USB connection. Set this to the side. Now in the other bag, you have, oh, more goodies are up in there. Okay, in the first box, you have some instructions and some labels. You have your camera, which is very well wrapped in a cylinder bubble wrap. See what the camera itself looks like. You get screws to mount into the wall, the brick wall, stucco. Here's your camera. These little lights around are for your night vision, and then this is just how you plug it up. Nice little camera. And then you have all 8 of your cameras are in one box. Let's go to the next box. Let's get this out of the way. Let's go back to the box. So then, so in this box, you have all your wires. They run, you just have all the wires that connect to each camera that runs all the way back to your HD hard drive receiver. Lot of wires. So your wires are in here. I'll go ahead and read later the exact length of each wire, and then I'll just post that on the screen somewhere right here. Okay, back to the box. This is just insulation. And your last box, and now the box is empty. The last item in the box, this is just a styrofoam container holding this little white box. Let's see what's in here. And this is this is your power. This is your AC power adapter. So that is everything that you need to secure your property, to secure your business, to to secure your house, to secure your backyard. The Lorex True High Def 1080p with night vision. There you go. There you go. Okay, right here I'm going to show a few of the cameras mounted. This particular camera is on the inside of the eave, pointing at my patio and my door. The other camera is also mounted on the inside of the eave, but it's pointing in the opposite direction, so I'm going to get coverage on both sides. Later you'll see that on the TV. Now moving to the front of the house, I have this particular camera mounted on the stud and it's pointing towards the walkway. Then I'm going to mount one on the eave pointing towards the door, and then I'm going to mount one next to the door pointing back at the street so I can cover my entire entryway. Here's a view of the initial setup of the DVR. You can see how the wires are connected in the back. You have the Ethernet, you have the cameras plugged in, and you have the power on. Right here you have all 8 cameras on the screen, or you can switch and just have one big picture, or you can have all 4, or you can have one big and then the 7 are small. And I'll let this cycle through a few times so you can get a better idea of what I'm talking about. Okay, right here we hooked up an additional camera, so now we have a total of 4. The one at the bottom left is in the garage where it is completely dark, so you'll get to see the difference between outside and inside, so you can see just how good the night vision works. Earlier, I was using the provided remote control to switch from camera view. Right now, I'm using the mouse. The mouse does the same thing, it's just a mouse instead of a remote control. Okay, here's a little side note I would like to add. The quality of these cameras on the TV are very clear and very crisp. The video doesn't really show just how clear and crisp they are, so that was just something I would like to add. As usual, I appreciate you watching. If you have any questions, feel free to hit me up, and you have a good day.